So the HTPC computer case is coming along nicely, but I got sidetracked because a window in the house doesn't have a mosquito net, and I'd like to open the window so some fresh air can come in. So yeah, I had to make this. I cut up a large, I don't want to say 2x4, something like 1.5 inches. I cut it up in 6 pieces with a jigsaw. Yeah, it's bendy and curvy and stuff, but it works. I made the frame out of this material. First, I used the double-sided tape to tape it to this piece of wood so it will stay straight. All the 4 pieces are glued, glued with double-sided tape. And then I placed the net on it, cut the dimensions right, almost right. There's a little yeah. It's a little bigger. I'll have to cut it some more. So, what did I want to say about this? So yeah, double-sided tape to make a perfect shape. Then the net on it, and use this silicone glue thing. This one, because it's very cheap and effective. I use this to glue the net to the frame. And I also added these in the corners. It doesn't have to be strong, just kind of keep the general shape of the thing. And I will put this in the window and also glue it in. So it doesn't have to be very strong, because all the way it will be glued again to the window frame. So I think it will do the job, and I just wanted to show you how simple it is. You can do it yourself, especially if you have a non-standard window. I live in a house 60 years old, and nothing is standard. All the windows are different, mostly. The doors are different sizes and shapes, and yeah, I have to do custom size stuff for them. So yeah, only one more step. After this I have to wait for it to dry, for the glue to harden, and then I will take a cutter and cut the sides. And that's it. Yeah. If you want to buy something like this, you can't, because it has to be custom made. And if you order something custom made, that will triple the price of a normal product, if not even more, like 5x. So yeah, hopefully the next video will be about the HTPC case.